Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. I wanted to tell you about something exciting. So I'm going to be hosting a Halloween hop. It's coming soon. There's going to be 4 sets of videos. So the first one will start on September 26th. And every Sunday at 2 o'clock Pacific Standard Time from September 26th to October 17th, myself and I think there's 10 of us, 9 other ladies will be posting a video. Each week we will have a different item that we had to alter or create that we will all be sharing, and you'll get to see each person's take on that particular item. Before the hop starts though, I'm going to make some videos to introduce the ladies. So when the hop starts, you're gonna look for this image right here because everybody will be using this image on their video when the hop starts. Before then though, I'm going to be introducing each witch. And so you're gonna wanna look for these videos with this image on it. And I'll probably do 1 or 2 people on each video. And I came up with some crafty questions for them to answer so you could get to know them a little bit better, and maybe go subscribe to their YouTube channels and Instagrams. I'm super excited to introduce them to you. I'm sure you know several of them, but who knows, you might be introduced to some new amazing YouTubers that you've never seen before. So watch out for videos with this image coming soon in the next day or 2. And I look forward to doing our hop and having you see what all the crafty ladies create. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.